Hey friends. So I'm going to talk to you about some of my favorite products, but I thought it would be perfect to do like a little mini series because I think it is National Relaxation. And so I put on a comfy tee because I know it's not sexy, I know it's not cute, but on the days when you want to feel super comfortable, this is what I like to go to. But I am going to enjoy National Relaxation Day. And the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to use our micellar water. And I'm just going to kind of remove my makeup. So this is a gentle cleanser. It's good for all skin types. And it's going to help remove dirt, impurities, oil, makeup. And you don't have to rinse it off. It's just quick, easy to go. So a lot of my friends and customers love this product so much because they love to take it to the gym. They love to do like a pre-cleanse before taking off or before using the cleanser. So this is like a good pre-cleanse. So let me see. Taking off all my face makeup. I'll take off my eye makeup a little bit later. So that is using the micellar water. I love it. Craziness, right? Craziness. Okay. There she is. Okay. Some of my favorite products. That would be perfect. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is I am going to apply my cleanser and I'm just going to wash my face really quick with it. I love our foaming cleanser. It's so gentle. It's just so good. It's moisturizing. It helps like lock in moisture, which is what I really, really love about it, especially if you have drier skin. And I didn't used to have drier skin, but now I'm starting to get drier skin. So I don't love that. And so I really want to pay close attention. This cleanser, it doesn't strip away the skin, leaves it soft and just feeling so good and moisturized. I love it so much. So I'm going to rinse this off really quick. She's everywhere. Let me wipe this off. Okay. So the cleanser, it's a rich, luxurious foaming cleanser that lifts away all of our impurities without stripping the skin. And it contains skin-loving botanicals to help maintain that moisture balance. So it is perfect to use every single morning and every single night. It's so good for the skin. You will love this cleanser. All that cleanser off. Yeah, feels so good. There we go. Okay. And so first I started out using our micellar water. And then I used our Voluform foaming cleanser to give that skin nice cleansing without stripping the skin, still leaving it very moisturized. And then the last thing I'm going to use is our moisture renewing gel mask. Love, love, love this mask so, 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 so much. So, and I've already applied some on my face, but I'm going to finish applying it. I want it to be all over. And basically, you can keep this mask on for 10 minutes, 20 minutes, or you could sleep in it all night long. Like that's my favorite part. And that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to sleep in it. I like to use this mask about twice a week, at least once if you can't do it twice a week. And then look at that. I don't know if you can see that really good or not. But I am just telling you, It instantly refreshes your skin, instantly hydrates your skin. It just feels so good. It feels so good. I love it so much. So this is my treat to myself. It's been a long day. I haven't felt the best today. I have on a cozy, non-pretty, plain t-shirt, but she feels so good. And so tonight when I go to bed, I'm going to go to bed with my cozy little mask on, and I'm going to wake up in the morning just feeling more refreshed. And so I just hope this encourages you. A lot of people that I get the opportunity to talk with and meet with, pamper and all the things, they always say, I don't have time. And I just want to say, for women, y'all, we pour into each other so much, and we always take care of everything and everybody else before we take care of us. And so I made a decision to start this little series where we can make it a daily habit. I know that's asking a lot, but to do a little something for you every day so that you're taking care of you in some small little way. It may be 2 to 3 minutes, right? We all need that. We all deserve that. Because y'all know the old saying, we cannot pour from an empty cup, and we can't. So, whatever your thing is that will help you feel relaxed and calm, more confident, better than you, I chose today to use our moisture renewing gel mask because I know tomorrow morning when I wake up, I want to feel refreshed. I don't want to look tired and worn out, because I know it's been a long day for me, and it's just been one of those days. And so, anyway, if you want to know more information about our micellar water, our cleanser, or our moisture renewing gel mask, I would love to help you if you've got questions or about anything else. But take time for you because it really does matter. And even if it is just a couple minutes a day. So I hope you enjoyed this a little bit. I forgot to say, please follow me. I'm trying to grow just a little bit. And comment if you don't mind, because that will help me too. And then, of course, always share. So, all right, let me know if I can help with anything.